Welcome to The Wrap. I'm Oliver Renick, taking you through today's market action. Let's see where we closed up on a very big session for bulls. Everything was green, breadth was wide. The Dow and the NASDAQ closed up more than 1.5%. S&P just under 2%. It's best day since April. And small caps in the Russell 2000 closing up over 2.5%. Some uncharacteristic leadership to the upside. Let's take a look at some of the sectors that were up and the ones that were up less. Everything was higher. All 11 S&P 500 sectors did rally, with real estate and energy leading the way, both up over 3%. Let's take a look at some stocks. Starbucks traded higher, a big winner on the day after posting better than expected fourth quarter earnings. The CFO said U.S. customers continue to favor more premium beverages, and average tickets rose by 6% in North America and 5% internationally. Comp store sales were up too, 8% in North America, 5% around the world. The company sees same-store sales growth for fiscal 2024, that's next year, between 5 and 7%. Shares rallied almost 10%, ending at an almost perfect $100. On the other hand, Moderna shares were lower, one of the worst performers of the day following third quarter earnings. The biotech company reported much wider than expected third quarter loss and reduced its outlook as demand for its COVID vaccine weakened. The company now sees 2023 COVID-19 vaccine sales at least $6 billion and 2024 revenue at about $4 billion. The company's chief financial officer, whom we spoke with on Market on Close, said that they're committed to breaking even by 2026 and promised revenue from other streams in the future. Then Apple. After the bell, a much-awaited report from Tim Cook's giant, the backbone of the market rally for the last year, alongside NVIDIA, probably one of the most important companies, still did beat top and bottom line expectations, but did report continuing declines in revenue on an annual basis, the fourth quarter in a row, year-over-year declines. Greater China revenue also missed pretty big, $15.1 billion versus $16.8 estimated. And depending where you look, some of those estimates were even higher. The company also reported record services revenue. They did beat estimates for iPhone sales by a very thin margin. And the stock traded slightly lower after hours. Let's take a look at what to look at tomorrow. Data. It's a big day. October jobs report, 8:30 a.m. Eastern time. Then we've got PMI and ISM figures, as well as a few remaining earnings. EOG Resources, Cardinal Health, Bloomin' Brands, shout out Outback, and Dominion Energy alongside Restaurant Brands all report before the opening bell. I will see you then. Have a great night. I'm Oliver Renick. Remember to tune in 24/7 to schwabnetwork.com.